Disney'n gadael i Josh Williams i chodi fyny teg at y postyn pell a George Oren dod i mewn. Gododd yn uwch na Lewis, ond methu cyfeirio'r beniad na ar y targed. Nath Lewis digon ma reid. McCarthy. Callum Morris. Waith da gan y fo'n lledu'r chwarae i Aaron Williams. A cerio le flaen. Yn teipio i Harry Owen. Groesiad dod i mewn teg at y cwrt chwech. Ac yno o Josh Williams i roi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Symudiad gwych gan yr ymwelwyr. Groesiad o didog ar draws y corridor ansicrwydd na gan Aaron Williams. Ac yno bydd y Williams arall Josh. Gwri Bale yng nghefn yr hwyd. Sgwar ma'n mynd i Disney. Bas ymlaen i Williams. Chodi fyny teg at Malkin. Nath McCarthy ddigon. Yn fanna. Williams yn gryfach na Jones. Dyn ni'n ôl i Disney. Chodi fyny teg at Mendes. Yn dyblu mantais Cei Connah. Yn yr amser cael ei ganiatáu ar ddiwedd yr hanner cyntaf gan y dyfarnwr. A croesiad Disney i Delken Mendes. Dwi'n methu fanna. Paolo Mendes yn gwneud gwaith da. Disney mlaen i Malkin. Taclus gan Cei Connah. Gwrth ymosod Malkin. Yn sgwar, mae Josh Williams di mynd i cefn. Mewn i'r ymddiffyn cyflym i ail o'r pnawn. Josh Williams o'r betiad o didog gan Alex Lang. So hwnna di selio'r triffwynt i Cei Connah. O Lang yn cadw Met yn y gêm. A'r betiad o'r safon ycha. Mae da gan Price. Ond Craven ar ei sodla. Ond mae'n dad ennill y meddiant rhywbeth Jack Kenny. Lledu'r chwarae, Elliot Evans cyfle i'r Mets. A'r betiad wych gan Andy Firth. Dwi'n gael llawer i wneud drwy gydol y prynhawn. Mae'n syth ato fo. McCarthy'n gwneud yn dda, yn camu mewn. Ac yn cyfuno dda gyda Baker, mae'n gyfle fa mas hon yn gol wych i Met Caerdydd, ond unwaith eto Andy Firth dod i'r adwyd yna pan mae'n un o'r golwyr gorau yn y gyngrair. Dylia McCarthy i sgorio. Disney di gweld Lang oddi ar ei linell, a mae tan o'r postyn, Luca Hogan a'r betiad gan Lang. Cyfle fanna i John Disney di gweld o Lang yn bell o'i gol. Bron i'r golwr gael i ddal allan. Nath ei fyny am y peth gyda'r betiad i nadu Luca Hogan sgorio'r drydedd. Luca Hogan lle i agor i goesa. Heibio i McCarthy. Brasgamu lawr asgell lle, mae Malkin yn y cwrt Cosby'n disgwyl am y groesiad. Dal i fi, mae Hogan thynnu nôl ar draws. Gwaith gwych gan Fiel. Mae'n rhaid hwnna oddi ar y llinell. Rhediad dda gan Luca Hogan lawr ar asgell lle. Bron iawn o gael i gol gyntaf yn uwch yng Nghymru Cymru. Gibbo, fantastic 3 points, another clean sheet. Does that seal second spot now?
You'd like to think so, wouldn't you? You know, it's a bit disappointing because the players have been absolutely fantastic all season and they deserve their moment to celebrate, you know, if that's confirmed second or not. So we're celebrating, but we're kind of, you know, on tenterhooks waiting to see, you know, the points deduction decision being made on the appeal. But we're in a really strong position. You know, we're 6 points clear of Pen y Bont before the points deduction, which we expect to happen. Obviously, there's 2 games left, so the players have been absolutely magnificent. Today, I thought we were really good for 45 minutes. Credit to Cardiff Met, they came back at us in the second half. You know, they play in a manner at home where they commit bodies forward, they try and take you on 1v1 areas and situations, and they cause you problems. And we had to shut it down with 20 minutes to go just to, you know, make sure we got ourselves over the line. So really professional performance from the players.
Sorry, disappointing result. But you had chances to get back in the game.
Yeah, definitely second half there was chances in it for us, but just lacked a little bit of quality. You see right at the end Carl goes through, but first half Elliot Evans with an opportunity at the back post as well, so you know, they contained us really well in the shape that they had, and we just lacked a little bit of quality at times today.
Andy, fantastic result today and another clean sheet.
Yeah, that was a game of 2 halves really. First half we were really good, probably some of the best stuff we played on and off the ball all season, and then second half bit of a different game. They've got nothing to lose, they know they've got to go and try and get a result out of it, so it was a bit back to the wall second half. They were just throwing bodies forward and it was just about controlling the game as much as we could, time wasting, manage it, winding a few people up along the way, but yeah, we got the clean sheet, got the win, and yeah, looking forward to next season now.